Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites, macOS up-to-date and Xcode command line tools installed because Git needs developer tools. Once done, choose your install path. Use Homebrew for the latest Git or use Apple's bundled Git for simplicity. Run brew install Git or Xcode select install and then verify with Git version. Next, configure identity so commits have proper authorship. Git config global user. Name and Git config global user. Email. This sets a consistent identity across repositories. Now configure Git behavior to avoid friction. Set core. Editor to your editor core. Autoculf appropriately and credential. Helper to OSCSchain for saved credentials. Then generate an SSH key with SSH keygen TED 25519 and add the public key to your Git hosting account. This avoids typing passwords. Create or enter a project folder, run Git init, add files, Git commit. Then add a remote with Git, remote add origin and push. These steps integrate Git with your workflow. Finish by verifying everything. Git version and Git config list to confirm settings. Test authentication with SSHT Git at GitHub. Com or your host. If it fails, ensure the SSH agent is running and the correct key is loaded with SSH add. If pushes are rejected or credentials act up, clear stored credentials in keychain access or reinstall Git via Homebrew to get a clean state. If a repo has history problems, make sure branches are synchronized and fetch before force pushing. This prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.